Hello, fellow Redditors. In today's quick guide, we explore how to improve your Reddit reading experience by increasing your text size. In just 1 minute, we'll show you how to make your Reddit posts and comments more readable. Let's dive in. Start by launching the Reddit app on your device and signing into your account. Make sure you're using the latest version of the app for the most up-to-date features. By opening the page, look for your profile picture in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on it. In the drop-down menu, look for the Settings option, which is usually represented by a gear or 3 vertical dots. Click on it to access the Settings menu. Open a new page and look for Text Size Settings or similar options. Click on it. Under the Text Size Settings, find the option to increase the text size. Adjust the slider or settings to your preferred reading comfort. That's it! You have successfully learned how to increase text size on Reddit. If this guide helped you, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more Reddit tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and enjoy a more enjoyable reading experience on Reddit.